everybody. So I thought I would do just a quick flip through and walk through of my November gratitude project. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the videos, and so I'm just gonna dive right into showing you how everything came together. So this one is bulging and kind of falling apart, so I needed the rubber band. I did the clear acetate, and I put daily gratitude. And then I just start right away with November 1st. And I followed Heba's formula of just a photo and journaling and stickers. And by the end of this project, I used up so many stickers and nearly the entire pack of stickers. I tried one of the pockets in the Feed Your Craft kit so I could do the close-ups of both my kids. And I really like how that one came together. I also did my journaling on clear sticker paper. That just made it easier for me because of my arthritis. I can't write for a very long time. And keep going. Some of them turned out a little plainer, but that's okay. Like this one, I went shopping. I went shopping by myself for the first time in 2 months and didn't even take a photo or anything. So I just took a photo of my purchases. And then some leaves. I loved using all the leaves in this project. So much fun. And then I think this is one of the first days I was able to wear boots, like warmer shoes. It's been really warm in California. So I was excited to wear boots. And then reading, always staying up late to read just one more chapter. And then this one was a really fun one. I used some of the Thankful 30 prompts from Feed Your Craft, and one of the prompts was best friend. And so I sent a message to my best friend and I said, hey, send me some of your favorite photos, all-time favorite photos, because we've been friends for almost 18 years. And he sent me these two, and then I picked this one. And I just changed it all to black and white to make it all cohesive. And then this one I talked about with a scrapbooking community and my new shirt from Heba, and it's so much fun, and I'm so grateful to have a wonderful community of scrapbookers, and a lot of them are now I consider friends. So documented that. And then rain, finally rain. So I had to document that, and I used the big umbrella die cut, and I love it. It hangs over a little, but that's okay. And this is where the notebook started to fall apart a little bit. This one I used lots of yellow and the pretty photo of my kids and I and the adventure that we went on. This one is another Thankful 30 prompt. It was music. So when I didn't have a day where I took a photo where I was specifically grateful for something, I went to the prompts. And this one was music, so I just took a screenshot of my playlist for the month, and I just talked about how I make a playlist for every month. So that's what that one is, and then that wraps up the first book. So then for 16 through 30 is this book, and I did some more acetate, and this time, since I didn't have a circle wood veneer, I just used some leaves. And this one I just talked about making time for art and just playing and getting messy. This one, having a picky eater. I have a very picky eater. So having a picky eater who likes things crunchy and crispy, having an air fryer is the best. So talked about that. This was another Thankful 30 prompt to talk about an appliance. This one is just talking about how I kind of played with my supplies and set up a December daily station, and it kind of cheered me up after a rough afternoon. This one was a childhood lunch. I mean, do you guys remember those Lunchables? I used to get those like once a week or maybe once a month, and I'd be so excited for my Lunchable. So I treated myself to one and ate like a kid. Spending some time with my son and watching him cook some peanut butter balls. So much fun. Then another family day, and I just took the banner and I put it across our photo and just layered on a bunch of stickers. I also stamped the date in different colored inks using Everyday Explorers. So this is the month by month set, and this is the new calendar set. This one was just a cozy Sunday at home. So I just documented that. This one was the start of our Thanksgiving break, and we weren't sure if we were gonna see any friends, but we were able to, so that was really fun. We got to go to the library for the first time in 8 months, so that was fun. And I used a 6x8 paper to cut out the books, since the die cuts in the kits were too big. So 6x8 paper made it just the right size. Documenting my creative space and being thankful for having a dedicated space to go craft and kind of step away from everyday life. And then Thanksgiving, I had a lot of fun with this one and layering stickers and adding in some more of the leaves. I think I used up all the leaves for this project, so that's good. This one I documented another Thankful 30 prompt, and I documented TV that we're watching. We've been watching a lot of movies because we spend our evenings together watching TV. This one I used, I think a Thankful 30 prompt, and it was just treat, I think. So I just documented how I like to have evening treats. This one was a lot of fun to make. I had so much fun. I used this large bike die cut since we went on a bike ride, and I did another pocket with 2 photos. There is a fish jumping in there because this was during the salmon go upstream. So it was fun to go down to the river and see some salmon. And then the water is so low, we were able to walk across the river. So there's that pocket. And then the last one is just grocery pickup. Something simple, but I'm definitely thankful for it, even more so. So that is my 2 Thankful 30 projects, and I hope you guys enjoyed this more detailed walkthrough and all the process videos. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.